Alright, I got my bushings for the leaf springs right here from Energy Suspension. And it comes with both ends of the leaf spring and the shackle. So we'll go ahead and take that leaf spring off and start putting the bushings in. I replaced these leaf spring bushings on a different truck before, and it was kind of a pain in the butt because the bolt rusted to the sleeve in there. It's hard to get the bolt out. So I'm hoping we don't have that problem with this one. We probably will, but I'm hoping not. Alright, I think we lucked out on this side. Because all the bolts are free and spinning. So they're not rusted to the sleeve on the inside. So that's a good thing. That makes it easier. There we go. Alright, I brought this thing in the garage in front of the heat because it's cold outside. So we're gonna do it in here in front of the heat. But I was checking out my flip kit here. So we're gonna put this on. Also, I was making sure that it fit on this 9-inch, but we got some grinding to do. So this thing goes up under the axle there. See, it's supposed to touch the top of that leaf spring perch, but it don't. So we'll have to come in here and cut just a little bit of this off. I'll probably cut it at an angle on each side. Get that cut off where this thing is set all the way up on there. There is a few different ways to get these bushings out. Blowtorch, building a bonfire and throw them in the bonfire, a little burnout. I know I took a drill bit and went around and drilled all the rubber out and banged it out with a hammer one time. So whatever you got to do to get those out. I think I'm gonna try my ball joint press and see if it'll just push them out. Alright, here's my ball joint press. I haven't never tried this method, so I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we'll see. So that didn't work out as planned. Yeah. See if I can bang it the rest of the way. Got it. I thought maybe I could just beat it out, but that didn't work. So I got my saws all out. We're going to try to get up in this little crack there and just cut it. Now I'm wondering if I could just cut this one and bang it out without trying to get the sleeve out. So if I just cut this outer ring and then try to just beat the whole thing out, would that be faster? I don't know. I'm learning, and if y'all don't know, then y'all learning with me. If you do know, then you're probably laughing at me. But this is what I'm gonna do, so. Alright, I've been beating on this thing for a while, and it's not working. So, cutting that outer ring and trying to beat it out is not faster either. So now I'm just taking my drill and just going around the rubber and drilling it out. Well, hopefully I got enough of that rubber drilled out. We can just press that thing out of there. We're gonna start on the shackle bushing right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and drill it out instead of wasting time here. Here we go. Now we just gotta clean the inside up, get some of this loose rust out of there, and we put the new bushings in. There's two different size bushings. The smaller one goes into your shackle. The bigger ones are for the leaf spring. There's the shackle. Got it done. There we go. Here comes this loose spring. Alright, we got them on there. It's getting kind of late, so I probably won't put the flip kit on yet, because I gotta grind them cut them perches off a little bit and stuff. I ain't gonna have time, so I'm probably just gonna bolt the leaf spring back on for now. Alright guys, we got the leaf spring bushings on there. They're a real pain in the butt to get on there. If anybody knows a better way to do it, let me know, because it sucks every way I try it. It sucks. But I ran out of time today. I can't get the flip kit on there, but we'll get it on in the next episode. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.